Favorite niya yung isa, oh. Ay, suka! Hi everyone! Happy Sunday here in Canada. Now mga kababayan, nakita niyo na ba yung food review na ni-react ko with Bini? Kung hindi niyo pa napanood yan, please check my videos at nag-react ko ako sa food review with Bini. And this time, it's time for me to react sa SB19 food review kasi 1 year na ito, hindi ko pa talaga napanood guys, kahit fan na fan po ako ng SB19. Busy po ang beauty ko, but I'm always here, SB19, always supporting you. So it's time for me to react and see this video nga, no? Hindi ko pa talaga napanood to, so tignan natin. Okay.
The name of the drink. Right now we have this very iconic Filipino drink. We call
What's
it
that?
Gulaman. You already had a sample. Yeah. So what do you think? I like it.
Sago?
Oh,
Gulaman?
how do you say Gulaman in English? Gulaman.
Gulaman.
I think this is a good starter for you.
Oh, I think let's make him choose.
Okay, make it.
What would you like to try first?
Kasi guys, hindi ko makita, wala akong eyeglasses.
This is called
Isa. Try it first.
Ay, chicken intestine, gusto ko yan.
Okay.
Chicken intestine, yan ang na-miss ko dito, guys.
It's close, but
Well, it is actually chicken. What part? Intestine.
Feel to, ito. Yung mga anak ko guys, hindi na nila natikman yata yung chicken intestine. Sa baboy naman yung isa, di ba? Si Josh! Hindi talaga maarte yung SB19, no? Hindi talaga sila maarte.
Always there? Everything is there? Okay. Let's do it.
Isa. Hindi ako fan ng pork intestine. Chicharon bulaklak, gusto ko. But not this kind of food. Gusto ko chicken intestine.
yeah, in the Philippines we always eat it with rice.
Ininom ba yun ni Josh yung suka?
Hindi ako makahanap eh. Masarap.
Hindi ko ba makita? Ikagay, adjust ko muna, hindi ko makita.
That's my favorite food.
Wala akong eyeglasses, hindi ko makita yung
That's one that shouldn't be.
vinegar.
I'm sorry about that.
I've been betrayed.
Si Josh, favorite niya yung isa, oh!
Whoa. Not bad.
Wala naman sila, no? Kumakain ng isaw, no?
That's my favorite recipe.
You guys are spoiling me. This is great.
How about Justin? Kumakain ba siya ng isaw? Kasi before SB19, parang yung may kaya sa kanila si Justin. Diba? How about Justin?
Cleanse it.
Come on, Justin. Ay, kinain niya.
Sour.
How's it?
I'm genuinely so confused right now.
This is the black version of tofu.
Gustong gusto ni Josh.
I don't like the texture.
I don't like it, man.
Ay, suka!
I don't like the texture.
Some
I'm gonna stick to the meat.
So guys, are you guys ready for the finale part? Finale? Do you know balut? And
Guys, hindi ako kumakain ng balot.
It's like
Pokemon.
Yeah. I know. Why don't I watch you do it and I'm gonna try and
Mas nauna ba tong video na to kaysa Bini? Guys,
Hard surface.
si Josh ang cowboy talaga when it comes to street food.
It's not right. How does it taste?
Hello, si Josh?
It's just like sweet.
Sister!
and then eat.
Pag ganyan talaga. Ako kakain ako ng ano, Pinoy, batnat balot.
And then we can see that it has like matured already. It's comfortable already. Sometimes it's already married.
What do you mean specifically? Like,
There's the baby duck.
like you can see it?
Yeah.
And it's staring at you. Sometimes they were like,
Here, baby.
you guys aren't selling this well today.
Silang lahat kumakain ng balot. Parang mga Filipino, guys. Gusto nila balot, no? Parang mga anak ko lang yata ang hindi kumakain ng balot dito. Ay, ewan ko lang sa mga Filipino rin na dito na lumaki. Yung mga anak ko kasi, they were 9 at saka 12 nung pumunta dito.
I don't know how I feel about that, to be completely honest. It's, but it's experience.
Yeah.
You should be awarded for your bravery.
Okay, thank you
Next,
guys
next.
for holding my hand through this
Yeah.
whole experience.
No problem. You're welcome.
It's been an awakening. I gotta say, it's been great.
This is actually SB19, and of course,
Ian Asher.
and you can search our social media accounts and official SB19 on all social media platforms. And how about
You
you?
can find me everywhere. at
Yun,
Ian
yun
Asher
lang yun.
as well.
Okay, so.
This is just a 6-minute video. Short lang pala, guys. Yun na yun? Tika, stop. So, short lang pala yung food review nila. Meron bang silang ibang video na medyo mataas? Like sa Bini? Mga ganyan? Or yun lang yun? So, dalawang street food lang, no? Balot at saka isaw. Pero kinain naman nila lahat. Tapos si Josh talaga, napaka-cowboy talagang pati yung suka, ininom. Love you, SB19. So, that's it, guys. It's just a 4-minute video reaction. Thank you so much at ingat kayo dyan. Until next time. Bye!